Now I'm going to be looking at if statements. If statements are really important if you want to branch your code in different ways. Now what we're going to do is a simple age checker. So I'm going to say that age equals 18, and for this site or for this game you need to be 18 to play it, so it asks you for your age. So we start with if, and then we do brackets, and anything we want to check, any comparisons, must be done inside the brackets. So age 2 equals, just like you would in Python, 18. And then normally what you'd do now is you'd put a colon. What we're actually going to do is we're going to do some brackets just like that. These are curly brackets, and curly brackets mark the start and end of stuff like if statements, functions, loops, anything like that. And this is sort of the standard way that people set them up, but you can set them up like this and then have your code here. It doesn't matter as long as there is a curly bracket and there's an end curly bracket and all your code stays in the middle. It doesn't matter if you have it here or up here. So now we can actually do what we want to do with it. So I'm just going to do a simple document.write, which is just going to print out some code for us or print out some HTML. So we're just going to put UR18, and then we can then move on to our else if, and you can have as many else ifs as you want. Now we don't shorten it in JavaScript to elif, we write out as else if, and then again inside our brackets we'll put our comparison. So if age is less, and you can do less than or equals, we'll just do less than 18, then what do you want to do? Well, we put that again inside the curly brackets. If you only want one line, you don't need the curly brackets, you just put that one line underneath and then the code will move on after that one line. But it's good to get into the habit of adding these curly brackets. And again, we'll just write out some HTML and we'll say you are not old enough. And then finally we'll do our else. Else doesn't need a condition, so we can just move straight to our curly brackets. Document.write, you are old. So currently our age is 18. So if we preview it now, we should get the first message. Then if we change it to 17, we should now get our second message. You are not old enough. And then if we change it to 19, we should get the final message, which is triggered by our else statement. You are old. So that's how you do it. Just remember curly brackets to signify the start and end of the statement, and then your comparison must be inside the brackets, but you do not need a colon. That'll probably just cause an error.